everyone, Michelle Fix It here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of something mysterious because I ordered a bunch of stuff and it came in because I have no idea what is in the box. Until the box gets opened. So let's see what's in this box. This box has two things. So the first thing is something that is fragile. It says fragile products handle gently, and this is a Kenning Luxury Silver Crush Diamond Jewelry Box. So let's see. Do we have more tape? We just have that one tape. We just have that one tape. A lot of the other boxes were like extra taped all over the place. So I have a room that I am using mirrored things with for aesthetic choices. This is the first one that's been kind of hard to get out. I have a couple other boxes that I ordered. My goodness. This is quite the battle to get this little guy out of here. Here we go. Finally. All right. Significantly smaller box than the other ones. So mirrored box, faux rhinestones on the top, glass inlay, which I appreciate. One of these kits, one of these jewelry boxes that I ordered, it does not have a glass inlay over top, so that's kind of frustrating. Right off the bat, there's another box that has the string or the ribbon hanging out, and it wants to hang out each time. This one does not. And this is what it looks like open. It does have the felt on the bottom. It does have the little foam square or little foam circles. And I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. This is pretty much what I expected it to be. Feels sturdy. Feels well made. I like that it has the glass overlay. And that's pretty much it. So you guys like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy the box that I have. About the size of my head. And I hope you have a fantastic day. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed and if you watch me more than one time, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate being able to get more subscribers so I can get my daughter the play button that she really wants that I don't care about, and so that would make me super happy. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out via my email or through the comments because I do respond to my comments. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.